Hello friends, this is class 6th, A Pact with the Sun book, lesson 2, The Friendly Mongoose, and this is our lecture 1. Points to be covered in today's class. First of all, introduction of the lesson will be given, then explanation of the lesson line by line, then summary of the story will be told, then at last homework will be assigned. Introduction of the lesson. This lesson is about a mongoose who saves his friend from a snake at the cost of his life. In this lesson, the mongoose and a baby boy were best friends, and the mongoose saves his friend's life from a snake who is there to kill his friend. Here, the mongoose doesn't care about his life in order to save his friend. Now, let's begin. Students, let's begin with the explanation of the story, The Friendly Mongoose. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. Means, once there was a farmer, he had his wife and they had their son. Both of them, the farmer and his wife, loved their son very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. The farmer said to his wife that they should have a pet. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. Companion means friend and company means friendship. So the farmer said that they should have a pet so that the farmer and his wife's son could play with that pet whenever he would grow up. This pet will be our son's companion. Means the pet which would be brought by the farmer would be farmer's son's companion or farmer's son's friend. His wife liked the idea because they had the only son whom they loved the most. So they wanted a friend for their son, for which they thought of an idea that they should have a companion or a friend as a pet for their son. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Tiny means small. It's a baby mongoose, means that tiny mongoose was actually baby mongoose. Said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. Means when the farmer brought a tiny mongoose to his house, the farmer's wife said that this is a baby mongoose. This is very small mongoose. Then the farmer said that that mongoose would be grown up very soon, and that mongoose would become their son's friend. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. So, the baby and the mongoose both were growing and both grew after 5 or 6 months. The mongoose had grown to its full size. On the other hand, the baby was just 5 to 6 months. Now mongoose has become a lovely animal who had 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Means the farmer's son had not grown to its full size. He was just 5 to 6 months who just started sitting. but still he was in the cradle. Cradle means jhula. Either he used to sleep or cry. Alternately, whenever he used to get up, he used to cry for some time, and then after some time he used to sleep. So this was going alternately. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby. She fed the baby means she had made her baby's stomach full. Means she had given him the food and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. The baby was sleeping in the cradle after having his food. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I am off to the bazaar." OFF means it is used for separation, as I told you many times. So she was going from house to the market. So she said to her husband that I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. The mother of the son. She said the baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him means to take care of him. If he is awakened, if he wakes up, then take care of him. Keep an eye means to take care. So the father of son, that baby, he was taking care, he was keeping an eye on his son. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. This was being said by the mother of the baby. So she said, to be very frank, she didn't want to leave the child alone with the mongoose, because according to her, the mongoose could harm her baby, and her baby had danger of that mongoose. You need not to be afraid, said the farmer. Means the farmer said there was no reason to be afraid of the mongoose. The mongoose is a friendly animal. According to the farmer, the mongoose was a friendly animal. Actually, it is a friendly animal, because if mongoose is your friend, he will help you out from any of the problem wholeheartedly. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know. So the farmer said to his wife that the mongoose was as sweet as their baby was, and the farmer's son and the mongoose were best friends, as both of them, the farmer and his wife, knew. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. As soon as the wife went away from her house to the market, the farmer was sitting at his home. As he had nothing to do in the house, he decided to go out and take a look. Actually, he wanted to see his fields, the fields which were not far away. These fields, the fields which belonged to farmer, means farmer's field, were not at distant place. So he thought to go there to see his fields. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. Means when he was going to his field, when he was coming back, he met his friends, some friends, and he didn't return for quite some time, as he became busy in talking with them, and he took much time, and he didn't return for quite some time. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Groceries means the food and other items that you buy in a food store or supermarket. So when farmer's wife came after finishing her shopping. She had a basket full of groceries, means the food items in the basket. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her, means farmer's wife, saw the mongoose who was sitting outside the house as if the mongoose was waiting for her only. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her, as was customary. Customary means tradition. Tradition here says when somebody comes at our home, we go out to welcome the guest. So, on seeing farmer's wife, the mongoose ran out to welcome her as it was tradition or custom. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Blood, she cried. Means as soon as the farmer's wife looked at mongoose mouth, she screamed. She cried aloud, blood, because she was shocked to see blood on mongoose mouth. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared means full of, means there was blood all around mongoose face and his paws. So farmer's wife was shocked to see blood all around the paws of mongoose mouth and paws. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby. Here, wicked means bad. So, farmer's wife cried aloud, you wicked animal means you unpleasant or very bad animal, you have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically. Here, hysterically means a state in which your emotions are so strong that you behave in an uncontrolled way. So, the farmer's wife has lost her control over her behavior, so she spoke whatever came to her brain. She did not have control over her brain. So, she screamed, she cried aloud at mongoose and said very bad things to him. She was blind with rage. Rage means anger. She could not see anything, whether the mongoose has done something right or wrong, but she was screaming at him. And she was blind with rage. She could not see anything because of her anger, and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. Because she was blind with anger, so she put her all the strength together, and with all her strength she put the heavy basket full of groceries on the mongoose, which was smeared with blood on his paws and his mouth, and she quickly ran inside to the child's cradle. Now you can imagine the basket was too heavy with the groceries, or we can say with the vegetables or food. It was too heavy that it might have killed that mongoose. Now let's see what happens next. As soon as the farmer's wife ran to the child's cradle where he was sleeping, the baby was fast asleep. Fast asleep means he was sleeping soundly. There was no one to disturb him all around. But on the floor lay a black snake torn and bleeding. As soon as the farmer's wife looked at floor, she saw there was a black snake torn, means There was a snake which had many pieces and it was lying on the floor, and there was blood all around that snake. In a flash, she realized what had happened. Means in a flash means she had a quick back away. She thought that what might have happened when there would be a snake, and how did Mongoose kill that snake, because Mongoose had blood on his mouth and his paws. So she thought that Mongoose might have killed that snake. She realized that she did wrong when she cried aloud at that mongoose. She ran out looking for the mongoose because she thought that the mongoose was right, who had saved her baby from that snake. "Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done?" Now, the farmer's wife was realizing that what had she done, as she came to know that Mongoose had saved her son's life, and he played the role of the best friend in friendship, as farmer's son and Mongoose were best friends. She cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. So she started touching the mongoose whom she herself killed, with the basket full of groceries. Who lay. Now the mongoose was killed, he was dead. It was laying dead and still unaware of her sobbing. He didn't even know, means the mongoose didn't even know that the farmer's wife was crying, and she didn't know that what did mongoose do for her baby. Sobbing means to cry noisily while taking in short sudden breaths. So the farmer's wife was crying, and she was weeping, and the mongoose didn't even know that she realized her mistake, what she did. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. The farmer's wife, who acted without even thinking, she just killed that mongoose, and rashly, without even thinking, she killed mongoose because she was blind with anger. She didn't even know what was she doing. She stared long. Stared means to look at one place. So she was staring at mongoose for a long time, which was already dead. Then she heard the baby crying. All of a sudden she heard that her baby was crying, who was sleeping in the cradle. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Wiping means clearing her own tears as she was crying. She went into the room to feed him or to give him the food. Now, summary of the lesson. I'll explain the summary. A farmer, his wife, and their child lived in a village. They were very happy. There was also a baby mongoose in the house, which was being brought by the farmer, who they believed would be their son's companion or their son's friend and friend in future, as the farmer and the farmer's wife had the only son, and the farmer and his wife wanted a baby friend for their son. One day, the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Actually, first of all, the farmer's wife went out to buy some groceries, and she had asked her husband to keep an eye on child, as she didn't believe the mongoose. She didn't trust the mongoose. So she asked her husband to keep an eye on her baby, on her son. But as the farmer had nothing to do at his home, she thought to go to the fields. While coming back from the fields, he met some of the friends, and he started talking to them and stood there only. He took a long time there, so he took time to come back home. The farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket. Means the farmer's wife, she came first from the market, and when she came, she had a basket which was full of groceries. Groceries means food items which are used at home. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. As soon as she came to her house, she found that the mongoose was at the entrance, and he was welcoming the farmer's wife, and his mouth and his paws, his face and his paws were smeared, were full of blood. There was blood all around his face and paws when mongoose came to the entrance to welcome the farmer's wife. She jumped to the conclusion that it was her son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. Means the farmer's wife didn't even think once, and she concluded in 1 or 2 minutes that the blood which was there around mongoose paws and his face would be of her son's blood. And she thought, without giving any single thought, she just thought that the mongoose was the guilty one who might have killed her son. She killed the mongoose and later realized that she was at wrong. As soon as she concluded that the blood which was there on mongoose paws and his face would be her son's blood, she, full of her strength, she put that basket on mongoose. The basket which was full of groceries and which was too heavy. She put that basket on mongoose, and of course you can imagine that the mongoose might be killed with that basket full of groceries. And when she entered the house, she saw that there was a snake, a black snake, lying on the floor, and there were many pieces of that snake. There was blood around that. She again concluded that the mongoose face and paws were full of blood. There was blood around mongoose paws and face, because mongoose might have killed that snake which was lying on the floor, which might have tried to kill the baby. So mongoose had saved the farmer's son's life instead of making the baby into the trouble. So the farmer's wife was wrong. She was at wrong. She concluded wrong because she was blind with rage. Later, when she realized, she cried a lot, and at that time the mongoose was already dead. He could not even hear, he could not even see that the farmer's wife was sobbing. Now, this is the time to assign you homework. Answer the following questions in your rough notebook. Number 1. Why did the farmer bring a baby mongoose into the house? Number 2. Why didn't the farmer's wife want to leave the baby alone with the mongoose? Here, let me tell you one thing, that in the column of homework solution that you give on EdQuark site, means where you give your answers, there you just need to submit your test, not these answers of the questions which I assign you to be done in rough notebook. These are to be submitted on email ID which is given by me on EdQuark site. Thank you so much.